From
The
Team
audience is
Invade,
safe. Let's go.
the number 2 seed. Explosion. From Team Shock. Inertia XL. From Team Beast. Beauty 7.
Roboteers,
Here it is.
ready. 3, 2, 1.
Let the mayhem begin. Inertia needs a little bit of time to spin that vertical disco, but it looks like they may have a control problem. Inertia's wobbling, so there's a balance issue there. But it's now between Explosion and Beauty 7, trying to get himself into position as that flicker is dangerous once he gets underneath his opponent. There isn't no escape as he flicks him almost out of the ring. Be careful there, be careful. He's out, no. Oh my goodness me, he's out now, no. Oh my goodness me, he comes back with a definitive blow. We got a winner.
No, I don't think we have.
Eliminated. 3, 2,
Because I don't think Inertia's having
ceasefire.